Good evening, folks. Dave here. Dave's Model Car Shop. 77 GMC tow truck. Finished. It's not nothing special I can say about this kit. It wasn't Revell's best kit. It wasn't their worst kit. It was just pretty plain. The only modifications was the seats. You really can't see in there. I ripped them up, dirtied them up. That's about it. Paint issues here, over here, across the back, in the inside the bed panels. I did paint it silver. It all bled off, so I just got in there with the blue and repainted it blue. I'm not even playing with it no more. I deleted the bar thing here. It looked stupid, so I took it off. Did some Mosh polishing on lights, the side lights, the headlights, push lights, mirrors. These came off a 41 Dodge Business Coupe that I finished. Those fog lights, I think. I Mosh polished these lights. That's pretty much all I did to it, other than put it together. And the paint was so bad, it's so scaly and rough, and so I wasn't even going to try and make it look nice. There she is. She's done. Time to move on to the next one. Well, y'all have a nice Sunday evening, and I'm out.